Okay, we're on problem number 5, and again, I want to remind you what's happening over here. We're getting close to minus 1/2 from the right side and the left side, but we're not touching it. Again, you understand when someone says don't touch something, people are going to start to touch it. So the problem now is if you touched it, the bottom would produce a 0. So I'm going to say, yeah, don't touch it. I'm going to do what I did in the last, I guess, 4 problems and manipulate. And the bottom factors really nicely. It's a sum of perfect cubes. So it'd be 2x plus 1 times 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. And the top also appears to factor nicely. And it looks like a grouping problem. So 2x squared from the first 2 terms would give you 2x plus 1 plus 1 times the last 2 terms. And what do you get there? 2x plus 1 times 2x squared, plus 1. Let me get my eraser out. That was my factoring. That was just what we're talking about, limits, getting close to something. Now, the limit says get close to minus 1/2, but don't touch it. And if I'm not touching it, I'm really, really, really safe in canceling these guys over here because they're non-zero. If I'm not touching minus 1/2, they're non-zero. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about what these things get close to. And I realize you're touching it now. Actually, limit laws allow me to touch it now, but let's not worry about that. Let's start thinking about when you get close to it, right? So when you get close to it, what do you get? We get 2 times 1/4, which is 1/2, and 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. Let's go to the bottom. Let's see what we get there. Well, you're going to get 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. What does that give you? 1/2. All right? Let's look at the k. That's what we're staring at over here, 1/2. The limit's 1/2. Thank you.